Here we want to put the numbers in order from least to greatest, or from smallest to largest. We have two of the numbers expressed in scientific notation already. We'll take the time to express this number in scientific notation, 880,000. That's going to be 8.8 times 10 to the, and if we move the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 to the fifth. And all we have to do now is compare the powers of 10. The smallest number being 8.8, or 880,000, because it has the smallest power on the 10. The next biggest number is 8.9 times 10 to the 7th. And next we have 8.7 times 10 to the 8th. Something that some students do is they just look at the decimal part of the scientific notation number, and that's not exactly what you need to do. You need to also look at the power of 10. Multiplying numbers in scientific notation, it says microchips are pretty small. They can be as small as 0.000006 meters long. The particular microchip we're going to be working with is 0.00045 meters long and 0.00005 meters wide. The chip needs to be covered in a special coating to maximize the profits, knowing the area will save on the use of the special coat, thus save money. Find the area. So we need to find the area. Remember, the area is given by the length times the width. So in this case, we have to multiply these two numbers. And with all those zeros, it's going to get kind of crazy and kind of hectic. So what we do is we will express those numbers in scientific notation and multiply them in scientific notation. So in this particular problem, we have 0.00045 times 0.00005. Writing both of those numbers in scientific notation, 4.5 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.0 times 10 to the negative, move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now when we multiply numbers in scientific notation, we multiply the decimal part, so off to the side we'll go 4.5 times 5, which gives us 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 25, and that decimal is going to be right there, 22.5. To multiply the powers of 10, you apply the product of powers rule. 10 to the negative fourth times 10 to the negative fifth. We can rewrite that as 10 to the negative 4 plus negative 5, thus giving us 10 to the negative 9th power. Now, this number is not in scientific notation because 22.5 is not a number greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. So to put it into scientific notation, we go to move the decimal one time to the left, 2.25, and that will become times 10 to the negative 8. I sure hope this video helped you out with scientific notation. Whether it did or whether it didn't, if you thought the video was cool, please rate the video or leave a comment.